Hey there, this is Gary Kreth with Kreth Partners Real Estate here at Sotheby's International Realty. And we're taking a look at this house behind me. This is a beautiful home in Clarksville, which is an urban core neighborhood in Austin, Texas. This house right here was added onto and remodeled, $1.5 million. But that's not what we're here to talk about today. What we're here to talk about is the home next door that is coming on the market shortly. This home is an incredible opportunity to be able to do that with this. And instead of paying $1.5 million and giving somebody else the equity, this is your opportunity to be able to take an $825,000 home in Austin, Texas, downtown core, and turn it into the home of your dreams by simply investing about $500,000 and the opportunity of walking away with over $200,000 of built-in equity after the remodel. So come on in, let's take a look at what's possible. This house right now is 1,008 square feet. It is 3-bedroom, 1 bath, completely move-in ready, but has so much opportunity to be able to remodel, add on, and increase the value of this property. So come on in, let's take a look, because this home, the value here is really in the land and the opportunity to build equity. And a lot of that is right here out back. This home has an enormous outdoor entertaining deck and really, really deep lot. Be able to continue to push this house out and down. You can build down, you can build up, and you can build out to be able to create something like that next door. So if you're interested in an opportunity to be able to create equity, to build equity for yourself, and to have a home, your dream home in downtown Austin, I'd call me if I were you. You can reach out by contacting me down below or schedule a time to come by and see the home. Take care.